Hello friends, my name is Yash Sharma and today I am going to give presentation on itinerary. So let's start.
What type of document is itinerary?
Itinerary is a paper document.
Right. What kind of details are there on an itinerary?
Travel plans, travel plans, flight reservation and the details related to the flight bookings.
Right. From where one can find out the details about the travel plans, flight reservations and all book flight details?
From the itinerary.
Right. What is the vital component of pre-packaged tour?
The vital component of the prepackaged tour is the travel schedule according to the individual travel.
Right. What is the selection of a trip along with the proper travel schedule for a personal traveler?
From from the. Can you please repeat question?
What is the selection of a trip along with the proper travel schedule for a personal traveler?
It is an essential part of the prepackaged tour.
Right. What items included in an itinerary?
Activity, distance, route, major attractions and the travel time.
Right. What are the basic guidelines included for travel itinerary?
Activity, distance, route, major attractions and the travel time.
Right. In an itinerary, what are the points which should be reconfirmed?
Transportation, hotel and the and the accommodations of the traveler.
Right. What is required to ensure a successful travel program?
To focus on the all points.
Right. To ensure a successful travel program, which parts of the tour are essential to pay attention?
Arrival and departure time. They communicate with the traveler what is included and what is excluded in the travel program, and about the major attraction and of the travel during the travel.
Right. What is the need to ensure for the attractions included in the daily travel plan?
Please repeat.
What is the need to ensure for the attractions included in the daily travel program?
Because at that time when the traveler is traveling, these attractions are open.
Right. While talking about the tour with the traveler, what is the need to know?
The need to know the likes and dislikes of the traveler.
Right. What ability must the traveler have to match the energy required for travel?
The physical capacity.
Right. During the journey, what ability the traveler should match?
The energy required for the travel.
Right. What is the need to know when traveling?
The need to know when traveling, the type of journey the traveler wants.
Wrong. Why is it necessary to know about the passenger's family?
To passenger family, no, the passenger is traveling alone or with the family, or the traveler has a small child along with them.
Right. Why is it necessary to take care of the activities or attractions that come in the way?
Because that attraction and activity that come in the way is match with the likes of the traveler or not.
Right. During the journey, what should match the passenger's preferences?
The activities and attractions come in the way.
Right. Why is it necessary to listen carefully to passengers' words?
So that we can make our itinerary according to the passenger likes and dislikes.
Right. What does pace mean in travel?
How slowly and quickly the itinerary moves.
Right. Why? What is the necessity for the traveler to enjoy the journey?
It depends on the pace which is according to the passenger choice.
Okay, right. What things should be considered when determining whether the tour pace is appropriate or not?
Passenger age and health.
Right. Why is it essential to consider the travel age and health even when planning a trip?
Pass.
How should the travel route be?
The travel route is being exciting and entertaining.
Right. What should you avoid when deciding the path of a traveler?
The passenger should not go to the same place during the travel.
Right.
Thank you so much.